Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use a VLOOKUP function in Excel sheets. Here I have two sheets. First one is full data sheet and second one is result sheet. In this full data sheet I have four columns. First one is facility number, customer name, amount and due date. Here in this result sheet there is a common column, that is facility number, which is the same facility numbers in this full data sheet. If you want to get any of these items or fields in this result sheet, then you can use VLOOKUP function. You can use this VLOOKUP function to get any of these fields in your second result sheet. Now I'm going to get this customer name in this result sheet, and I'm going to show how to get this customer name in this column 2. Here you have to use this VLOOKUP function to get that customer name field. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP function. Here it is. Double click on this VLOOKUP and you have to select the VLOOKUP value as this common field, which is the common field. So I'm going to select this entire entire column, and then you have to put comma. After that, for the table array, you have to go to full data sheet and select entire columns up to due date. And if you want to get this name column, you have to put the column number. That means first one is facility number, second one is customer name. So the second column is the customer name column. So you have to put comma and 2. After that, comma, you can use false or 0, both can be used. Here I'm going to use false. Click on false and enter. So you will be getting the customer name here. You can drag down to get other values too. After that, you have to add the headline for that column as customer name. After that, if you want to get other field of full data sheet, that means amount or due date, you can use same as like previously we done using the VLOOKUP. So now I'm going to get that due date field here. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP again. VLOOKUP. And for VLOOKUP value, here is the common field is facility number. So select entire column and comma. Here we have to go to full data sheet and select again entire columns up to due date. Here the due date field is on 4th column. So I'm going to put number 4, comma 4, and now I'm going to use 0. So comma 0, close bracket, enter. You can use 0 or false, both are correct, and then drag down to get the due date here. So This is the method to use VLOOKUP to get the data on the another spreadsheet. Thank you. If you like this video, you can subscribe.